Welcome to How To in Under 2. Today's How To, Brownies. Before we get started, hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure to stay to the end of the video for the recipe and extra tips and tricks. First, you're going to need to weigh out the ingredients. Start by separating the eggs into two separate bowls. Put the sugar in with the egg yolks and whisk until they become creamy. Put the chocolate and butter into a pot and melt slowly so that it does not burn. Once the chocolate has melted, add in the cocoa powder and dissolve it inside. Set aside and allow the chocolate to cool down. Don't place it in the fridge as it could split the chocolate. Whip the egg whites to a stiff peak and place them in the fridge. When the chocolate has cooled down to around body temperature, slowly mix it into the egg yolk mixture. Add the flour and baking powder and begin to fold it into the chocolate. Mix until smooth. Add in the chocolate pieces or your favorite fillings. Then you want to slowly fold in the egg whites into the mixture. Grease a tray and put some baking paper in it and then pour the mixture inside. Heat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius with fan. Bake for 25 minutes, then test if it's ready by using the tip of a small knife. You do this by sticking it into the center. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Remove the brownie from the tray and allow it to cool on a rack. You can trim the edges and treat your family, or keep them on. It's my personal favorite part. Enjoy them as they are or serve with some chocolate sauce. Thank you for watching the video today. If you have any comments, put them down below. And you can also add special requests. Remember to like and subscribe for more how-tos in under 2.